guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be learning about how to make JSP pages. So, what's the difference between JSP and Servlet? Servlet are Java classes that handle HTTP requests and responses. And JSP is a technology for embedding Java code with HTML pages. Also, Servlet use Java code to handle requests and generate responses. JSP page use a combination of HTML and Java. So, starting with the code, first we'll open our Eclipse. Just type in search Eclipse. First open the Eclipse, it will open. So, first, it's already selected. Launch it. Now, it will take some time. Okay, yeah. Now, create one dynamic project. Name as JSP project. Then, next. src main should be there. Yeah, then next. Then generate web.xml. Finish. Yeah. So now again we will create one HTML and JSP page. So click on web app new HTML file. Index.html will give this name. Yeah. Next. Then finish. Yeah. So here it's already the boilerplate is already there. So we'll just change title as login page. Yeah, login page. Now in body we'll write first our h1 tag, then login, and we'll give as align as center. Yeah. Now next line form. So yeah, click on name is equal to form. By mistake I wrote from form 1 action is equal to login. It should be the same name. So I'm giving as login jsp.jsp. Yeah, and method should be post is equal to post. Yeah. Now moving on, table will create table. Starting with the table tag. Now tr to create rows. Now td. Again, then we'll write b tag. This I think so you know the basic of HTML and all. So it's very simple. This code is actually very simple. I will be providing the link in the description. So go through that. Then again, you have to put the type. Input type is equal to text. Because name is of the text format also. And we'll give as name as T1. Now this is completed. Now second row will create tr, then td. Then in this we'll put the password. td. Input type should be password and name as t2. Yeah, name t2. Then close td. Finish this thing. Then again next. Then again you have to create the tr. Here will input type should be submit. Then again one should be reset also. By mistake I wrote that. Yeah. Submit value is equal to submit. Input types is equal to reset. Value is equal to cancel. Close. Then this thing is completed. Actually this HTML code is very easy. Now again next we'll create JSP file. Create a new JSP file. Then it should be the same name, login JSP. J should be capital .jsp. Extension is JSP. Okay, finish. Here it's already boilerplate is given, so we'll directly write. Yeah, in JSP there are actually different types of tags. Script scripting element. So what is that? First is expression, scriptlets, and declaration. Here we are using the scriptlet tag. Starts with that what we call percentage or modulo. Okay, so username in double quotation, then again request.get parameter. Actually we are getting the from the user, right? So it's request.get parameter, and that one is t1. This should be t2. Password is request.get parameter, inside the bracket write t2. Yeah, semicolon, finish. And again here we have to import different packages, like import equal to java.io.star io.star. Yeah, then again actually here we are using the different directive tags. This is known as directive tags, and here directive tags is basically used for importing pages and all. Tag libraries. Now import java x.servlet. Here import is equal to java x.servlet.http .star. Then again we have to import something, percentage and the rate page. Import is equal to java x.servlet.jsp. Yeah, this done. Just save it and run. No need of importing anything. Yeah, actually I'm using fourth version, so no need of importing anything. Just I'm putting my name and password 1234 and submit. Yeah, done with this. Username with this. Yeah, thank you guys for watching our video, and subscribe, share and like. Bye bye.